I found rivers flowing inside the ocean. At first, I thought it was a glitch, but it turned out to be real. Deep underwater, I found flowing rivers. They even have waves and shorelines. I learned they form when extra salty water becomes heavier and sinks below the ocean. I watched it move like a river, carving paths along the seafloor. I saw fish swimming above it like it was a different world. In places like the Gulf of Mexico, I saw the ocean split into layers. There are rivers within rivers. Follow for more fun facts.